Hi all, welcome to Om Shri Taram. Sometimes in our life we are kind of stuck and we feel there's so much, this is not going to happen. It is impossible to happen or impossible to get it. So in that case, what you can do is if there is a situation where you think it's impossible to get it done or impossible for us to get it done or to get it. In that case, you can pray to Hanuman, and there is a little word that you can keep, or a couple of words, so like a switch phrase that you can keep chanting towards Hanuman. So, Hanuman by himself is known to be to make impossible things possible, right? So there is nothing that Hanuman cannot do. Hanuman is so powerful. He is a Ashtasiddhi Nayakam. So he has mastered all the eight siddhis. He can be Anima, Lagima, Garima, Mahima. So he can be as little as a mustard seed, or he can be as big as this universe. So or he can be invisible, he can be visible, he can fly, he can. He is so strong that he can just scrape a mountain out of the feet and then of the soil, and then he just cannot carry it. So there is nothing he can't do. So if you get, hold Hanuman's feet and then pray with your good intention towards Hanuman, he is going to make impossible things possible for you. Sometimes we are pushed to a corner in our life to think this is absolutely not possible. This is not going to happen. When you're pushed to a corner in your life and then you feel this is done, I'm not able to do anything, I think my life is done. Even in that situation, the only person or only God who can make impossible things possible to you is Hanuman. So if you feel your life is stuck, or you're stuck in a situation where you're not able to come out of that particular situation, even it could be a physical abuse in your relationship, even it could be your business problems, or even it could be your legal problems, or you think I'm done, I don't think I can come out of it. A lot of times you are in a marriage where the relationship is so toxic, or in your dating relationship where the relationship is so toxic, and then they bother you, they attack you psychologically, and you feel so lost, you feel so like, I feel I'm stuck. In that situation, all you have to do is chant this mantra of Hanuman. Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin. Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin. Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin. That means one is impossible. Asadhyam. This is not possible. Sadhyam is possible. Asadhyam means impossible. So, even that asadhyam, sadhaka means he's going to make it sadhaka. So, one who can make impossible things to possible. So we are praising a person or a deity who is able to make our life better, make impossible things, impossible situation turn around and make it favorable for us. So if you feel not just financially or in a relationship, or you're stuck in a family where you're not able to come out of that family situation, definitely keep on chanting this mantra. This probably, if you don't have a setup in your house where you can sit down at your altar or prayer room and pray, because people might question you, you feel you're worried about it. All you can do is keep on chanting in your mind. God will understand. Gods are for to help us, or to, none of them is going to punish us saying, oh, you didn't do this, you were not coming, you're not at my altar, so I won't help. He's not going to say that. As long as your intentions are good, as long as your prayers are, valid, he is going to do and help for you. So help you come out of any situation. So put your intentions, and if you feel you're stuck, you're not able to do it openly, do a puja openly, keep on chanting this mantra in your mind. You don't have to say out loud, you can keep chanting in your mind. And then look how quickly Hanuman is known to make everything in a jiffy. Hanuman is known to make everything quickly, faster. So, how he is going to turn the impossible things possible for you in your life. Start chanting Asadhya Sadhaka Swami if you feel you're stuck or you got locked up in a situation where you're not able to come out. Definitely, you'll find a way. He's going to help you.